Hey friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a roll cap gun. So for that you will need a strip of roll cap, of course. I don't know if you can see it. Roll cap strip like this. A click pen, you know, the ones we use with a click. Yeah. And it should be able to open from the center like this. You see? Now you don't want to use this part, just throw it off. So next you wanna cut this threaded part and a little bit small part of this one, the face part, so that your refills lower part just passes through it, but the spring should not pass through it. Be careful, the spring should not pass through it. So take out the spring. It should be like something like this. Can you see it? I don't know. Alright, let me put this in front of this color background. This kind of spring. Alright, I'll just keep it aside. Then you need a bolt like this. A bolt that should be able to fit into this thing really tightly, very tightly, and it should not get out. So next you wanna take out the refill, and in the place where the nib was there, just pull off the nib and replace it with a small nail, or really thin nail, which can just tightly fit into the hole of the refill, it's tightly fit into it. But fine. Then you should take the spring and put it through the other part of the refill and place it back into your gun. Right, fine, you can see it, right? Make sure if you pull and leave it, it should strike your finger really hard. It should give you a little bit of pain maybe. Right? Alright, make sure that you make a small hole for the air that will be produced by the bursting of the cracker. So just pull it back, just pull this refill back, hold it tightly, take your nut, bolt, place it on the top, give it a few twists and fix it really tightly, right? You see? Yeah, like this one. That's what I'm talking about. Now tear one of these beads from the strip, pull the refill back, pull it back, right? Pull it up a little back, and this gap that you get over there, this gap, alright, just place the gap inside of it. The bulging part should be facing the bottom of that bolt, so that when you strike it makes a clear sound. See, like this. Okay, voila, you got this, right? Thanks for watching.